Hey, this is Franco from Ambiance Landscaping, and I want to show you how to operate or use the fire pit features that we can install for you. So the very first step is going to identify where the valve or the main valve for the gas line is, and typically that you're going to find that on the gas meters. Now, on this house in specific, the house came with a valve that we just connect right into it that was meant for the gas. And the owner knew that he wanted to have a fire pit, so he asked the builders to have this ready. And then we're gonna open it, so make sure it's open, that's open, and this is closed, okay? So we're gonna make sure it's open, and then we go to the fire pit. And what we're gonna do is look, of course, for the igniter and the valve, okay? This valve is for this feature only, okay? Now, so what we're gonna do, we are gonna make sure to turn this typically like a 1/4 of an inch, nothing too, do not go all the way on or, you know, too little, but enough to hear the gas going, and then you click on the igniter for the spark. Now, it's really important that you do not go all the way on, because the gas is gonna blow away the spark of the igniter, okay? So make sure it's just a little bit, and once it's on, we can turn it up all the way. A little bit, there we go. And then turn it off. And then you can have a really nice, cool feature for the gas fire pit, okay? Now, if by default you didn't get one igniter, just the valve, you turn it up still a little bit, and then with a lighter, you come and turn it on. Just like normal fire pit, this customer wanted to have the upgrade of the igniter, so he's not, you know, with a lighter all the time. But it's that simple. Once you're finished, you go clockwise, turn it clockwise all the way, and then you can even remove the key if you want, for safety purposes for the kids, okay? But once again, a little bit of gas, you turn it on, there we go. And then up as you want, okay? You can go as low and as high as you prefer. It depends on if you like the heat in your face or not. But that's how you do it. And once you're done, you can remove the key, leave it there, of course. You always make sure it's all the way to the right. So always make sure that you turn the key a little bit, a 1/4 of a turn, and then enough for the gas to go out. You press on the igniter, and once it's on, you can turn it up all the way. Once you're done using the feature, turn it off by going clockwise, turn it to the right,